Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We have here a beautiful 2020 registered 2nd of Jan 2020 Suzuki Vitara 1.4 Boosterjet SZ-T Automatic, finished in Galactic Grey, covered 30,153 miles. Got MOT through till January the 1st 2024. It's a one owner car, automatic, being highly desirable. Great spec with these cars. It's got metallic paint, highly desirable in the Galactic Grey, alloy wheels, rear privacy glass, generous load area here, complete with load area cover. All the strings and plastic clips are all in place. 60/40 split rear seat system. Interior boot trims show minimal signs of wear. Boot light, and you've got a 12-volt power socket in the boot. Great specification. Car hasn't been valeted yet. We just thought we'd get it online as quickly as possible. Highly desirable in automatic, Galactic Grey as well, and great spec, as I said. Come with 12 months Suzuki warranty, encapsulating 12 months Suzuki roadside assistance. And at TW White & Sons will take any vehicle in part exchange of any sort, and we will be as competitive, if not more so, than some of the companies advertising on national television and on the internet. Beautiful condition car this, and it will need to be serviced and 101 point used car checked. We check everything. We check tyre tread depths, condition of the wipers, the brakes, the brake pads, the brake discs, the vehicle's electrical systems, the whole lot. Lovely interior here. You've got this hard wearing black grey cloth interior. Over here, that cloth extends to the door cards. You've got electric windows all round, electric door mirrors as well. Auto one-touch facility on the driver's window. I don't know if you can see that clearer there. Minor array of switches here. On the right hand side, you got headlamp leveling, fog lamps, traction control. Close this, start the car, turn on the lights, give us a better view of what we've got in front of us. Low on fuel, we're virtually empty on fuel on this vehicle. That will extinguish itself given a few seconds, as it has done now. So on brief overview of this, on the left hand side you've got tachometer, underneath it temperature gauge, speedo on the right hand side, underneath that fuel gauge. You can see the car's done 30,158 miles. Gear selector underneath that, you can see changes, outside temperature and the time, which is 16:34. It's actually not, it's 17:34. The clocks and watches have gone forward an hour. There's a switch here which will take you through the various statistics of the vehicle. Average fuel economy 34.5. Don't take that as gospel. That is down to how the car was driven at its last occasion, under what climatic conditions, whether it's endured town driving, motorway driving, etc., and at what speed. Various statistics there, driving time, etc. Idle, stop, start time, clock, motion sensors, torque, power, accelerate, brake, and it gives you back to this blank screen. If I keep my finger on here, take you into the vehicle sub menu, so you can do distance in units, fuel economy, language, fuel reset, temperature, clock setting, door locks, lights, oil change, TPMS tyre pressure monitoring system, display item, default, back. Integrated Bluetooth voice control. On the left hand side of the steering wheel you've got volume control, mode control for the stereo. Right hand side, cruise control. Beyond this, wipers with variable speed on the intermittent and rear wiper, all on one stalk. Lights on that stalk, and paddle shift control for the automatic gearbox. Give you a more immersive driving experience. Personally, myself, I just like sticking the thing into D drive and driving it like any other automatic. You can use the smart a paddle shift control here to give you a greater immersive driving experience. Climate control, air conditioning, dial in the temperature you want and hit automatic. It will direct the air automatically and adjust the fan speeds. If you're like me and you want to operate it a bit simpler, you can operate it in manual system just by taking it off auto. Do that with the fan control, and you can adjust the mode where you want the air to go. You can see that display changing where you want the air to go. Air conditioning button there, recirc button, or taking air from the outside in. Taking air from the outside in is a more preferable setting, unless of course you're in traffic caught behind a lorry that's emitting poor emissions. Heated rear window, demist. So very clear, very simple. Underneath here there's a USB socket. Here also a box clearly labelled and marked. Cup holders, centre armrest, which is again very spacious. Touchscreen multimedia setup here on this Suzuki Vitara. So you've got DAB, FM, AM, 6 presets per waveband. Press the cog button here, takes us into a sub menu, he said. There we are. Sound settings. You can adjust bass, treble, fader, balance, equalizer presets, which we'll do there. If you want to listen to Def Leppard, you'll have it in rock. If you want to listen to something a bit more calmer, classical, flat is normally how it's set up. Speed dependent volume control will adjust the volume to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back to the home screen. It's all touch screen, very, very simple. Satellite navigation. That's what the map looks like. That's in its daytime setting, nighttime setting. Very simple. Input the address, away you go. Points of interest nearby, really useful thing this. If I wanted to find, I need a cash dispenser for whatever reason, automatic teller machine. It'll highlight where all the banks are. Choose which one you want to go to and the sat nav will assist you in getting there. And this again, press this cog button as you did with the stereo. It gives you into sub menu, guidance and map settings, position and GPS info, geo coordinate format, home screen, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, add a device. Again, press the cog button, you're into a sub menu. You can use the phone ringtone rather, display incoming text messages, etc. Smartphone linkage, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, again a sub menu here. Android connection priority, you can use Apple CarPlay with it, it's not a problem. The advantage with that is that you'll get all your icons such as Spotify, which you may or may not subscribe to. Waze navigation, which is a brilliant navigation system, can be integrated into this perfectly through the smartphone linkage. All you do is link it with the USB, which is down beneath there. This car, 30,158 miles, automatic, as I said, really desirable. We need to service it. We need to properly valet it. It's just had a clean. It needs detailing. It will come with 12 months Suzuki warranty, as I've said, Suzuki approved warranty, and 12 months roadside assistance. It'll have to be 101 point used car checked and serviced, this in accordance with manufacturer recommendations. But there it is, a 1.4 Vitara SZ-T, finished in Galactic Grey, really desirable colour, which will come warranted. We'll take any car in part exchange, as I've explained. If you want to know more about this beautiful Vitara 1.4 BoosterJet SZ-T Automatic, please go onto our website. This car was registered incidentally 2020 on a 69. If you want to find out more about this car, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.